rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hey everyone, welcome to our latest episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and joining me is Christina Bono for this special episode, a little bit about sAVe. Welcome, Christina.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. So, for those who are watching and listening and are either new to the industry or don't know much about sAVe, why don't you tell everyone a little bit about who you guys are and what you do?
Okay, great. Well, sAVe is the first industry-wide independent nonprofit organization bringing stakeholders in our industry together to do our part in taking concerted action to achieve the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. And as most of us are seeing, there's more and more things that are happening, everything from extreme weather events to increasing degradation of our environment, things like, inequality and poverty. All these problems are honestly getting worse, and our industry has been a big part of the problem. And just a couple of staggering statistics. In 2024 alone, our electronic waste that was generated globally was 62.5 million metric tons, of which less than 18% was officially recycled. So by 2030, when we're supposed to be achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, that staggering statistic is going to reach 82 million metric tons. So one of the big initiatives that sAVe has launched is called Save a Second Life, and we've established partnerships with schools through the HEPMA organization, who's a big partner to rAVe as well. And also we have a network of a lot of different non-government organizations that AV companies can partner with to give AV equipment a second life at the end of its first life. We also have a partnership with an association called Terra to help companies select recyclers who are really certified in doing official recycling and also have reuse and repurpose programs. Another a big initiative that we've launched is called sAVe Certified. So we help companies go through education, workshops, and also planning to put together actionable plans so that they can begin to align themselves with sustainability. So those are some of the things that we've been involved with. It's our fourth year now, officially. This month is our fourth year. And we've grown to be a leader in sustainability globally for the industry.
That's amazing. So e-waste is not all AV, but AV is a big part of creating e-waste. Is that correct?
Yes. And if you think about all that equipment and, anyone who's an AV integrator out there or, is a customer who has to deal with AV equipment that's still good and usable, but is no longer needed, then where does it go? And so that's one of the big areas that we address. But there's much more, which I'm really excited about to tell you.
Yeah, tell me a little bit more about what you guys have upcoming this year. I know there's a big event where everyone kind of comes together for a couple of days, but what else do you guys have coming up?
Yeah. So 2026 has started off with a bang. As you know, we were a delegation at ISC for the fourth year. We were their official sustainability partner at ISC 2026, which had record attendance. I think they had like 95,000 people there. And so that was a very successful trade show for us. We were able to also conduct a sAVe certification workshop at the conference, and we had individuals from 9 countries and 5 continents who were part of this. So that was really exciting. We have several sAVe certification programs that are in process or just happened. One of them was with UCLA's AV department. So this is the second year they've gone through it, and they involved Joe Way, that is, who's one of the founders of HETMA and is in charge of digital spaces for UCLA, involved his students who are involved with a sustainability program in our certification workshop. So that just took place. And we're about to go to Chicago at the beginning of May, where we're taking Shure through SAVE certification. So Shure will become our second manufacturer to become SAVE certified. We're going to be conducting it at their headquarters. They have at least 30 individuals from their company who will be involved. Super excited about that. And then we are going to do another SAVE certification program the next day with HETMA. So several colleges in the Chicago region will be joining us at Shure's headquarters, and including Northwestern University with Troy Powers, who's HETMA's vice chair. Another thing that's happening is we formalized our Sustainable Manufacturer Council, and we will have them represented at the upcoming conference, which I'll talk about in a minute. But we have a great council of members, including Wendy Feldstein and Mike Rogers from Crestron, Althea Ricketts from Shure, Catherine Gaskill from rAVe, Joyce Kwan from Sony. So it's just really really excited about what's going to be coming up as we start launching the council.
Absolutely. And so tell me more about the conference coming up, because for anyone who is interested in getting certified or learning more but isn't in the Chicago area, is that the next easiest place where they can come to learn more and get certified?
Yes. So, drum roll, we are hosting our third annual SAVE Global Conference. And Steph, you will be our media partner there, which we're super excited about.
Absolutely.
Joe Way is going to be our MC, and we have quite the lineup of speakers. So I want to officially announce that Mike Blackman, Managing Director of ISC, will be our keynote speaker at the conference.
Amazing.
And
he's attending. That's awesome.
He's attending. Mm-hmm. And he is one of our biggest champions. He actually approached us in 2022 to become the official sustainability partner to ISE. And so we're super excited about this development. Anyway, we have a series of educational programs that we'll be conducting. We have 3 workshops, including the SAFE certification workshop. And then we have a series of panel discussions as well. It's going to be October 13th and 14th at UCLA's Colville Commons. So more to come. We're opening up registration this week, and we're going to be getting out, regular notifications. We are going to be publishing, and we'll get this over to Steph today, the press release about Mike Blackman being our keynote speaker.
Amazing. Well, congratulations. It sounds like this event is kind of growing every year. I know that this is its 3rd year happening, but it's grown a little bit each year, which is so exciting to see.
Yes, and if you want to get more information about how to get involved with SAVE, go to our website, saveev.org. We also have a separate webpage now for our conference, SAVE 2026, that you can check out to get more information about getting involved with the conference. And then we have several committees that are very active here locally in Southern California, as well as not only around the United States, but around the world. We have a whole SAVE Ambassador program. So we now have, I believe it's 13 SAVE ambassadors who represent countries around the world who've brought our mission and initiative back to their countries. So for those of you who are not in the United States, we most likely have a representative in your region.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Christina. And also for everyone watching or listening, I'll make sure to link all of those places in the description so that y'all can click there to find out more information. Christina, thank you so much for being on this episode, and I will see you in October.
Okay, see you then, Steph. Take care. Bye.
rAVe Radio with rAVe.